Hello, everybody. If you want to book the broilers, the supplier was the Ken Chicken. Those are almost 2 weeks. That is like 1 week and 4 days. So, definitely, if you want to book them when they get to 1 month, you can call me or WhatsApp me, and then we get to talk business. Those are amazing breed for meat consumption. If you want the meat, especially since we're going into December season, go ahead and leave your comment or call me or WhatsApp me on that number that you are seeing on that screen. Apparently, when they get to 1 month, I'll be ready for customers to come and buy them. So definitely don't miss out on these amazing opportunities. In Luganda, mwena abagala enkoko za broiler and mwagala zigula mu bulk, so kunkubira ku namba yange eryawo, then netwogera business. Definitely mujaba muzibookinga, mujaba muzifuna, osobola okwetuukirako, then you get to remove, you can buy. They're almost affordable at a price. Jenjo okubeera nti wobeera ompeereza message ojja kuba omanya price, how much each broiler costs, because they are almost getting to a month very soon, though they're just weeks, but very soon, because the feeds we use, the hard work that we're giving into these brooding, apparently it is such incredible. So go ahead and book immediately. Contact